Hey guys, what's up? I'm super excited to share with you this huge software update that we have this Friday morning. Let me just go through everything that you now have access to. So the most excited thing that users have been wanting is an increase in their watch list limit size. All right, guys, if you are on the monthly plan, you used to have 10, you now have 20 stocks that you can add to your watch list. That's doubling your last limit. And if you were on the yearly plan and you had 20 stocks as your watch list limit, you now have 40. So guys, we across the board increase your watch list limit size. So I'm super excited to announce that. Also, we added some huge rollouts with the watch list on the dashboard page. The first one being is watch list performance is now accurate. It's now based on how many shares and where you bought that stock. You can also see individual stock performance here. So what we can see is how much money and percent you're making on that individual stock. So what you can do here is you can either remove it, or if you want to update that stock. So for instance, Apple, if you want to put in exactly where you bought, the number of shares you bought, and your commission, which defaults to 0, so you don't have to input that if it's 0 like most brokers are now. And then it will give you an accurate watch list performance. You can actually see how your portfolio is performing. So I'm super excited to share that with y'all. That's what we have here on the updates of the watch list. We do have, the performance update and the ability to update and add notes. I think notes will be amazing for those who want to make note of why they started investing in something. All right, guys, in addition to that, we do have new alerts. So again, it's not going to show here because no new alerts have been sent. But for instance, as you can see here, the last alert shows when the last email alert was sent. And when that happens, you also get an alert here in the alert tab. So this was an example of the last alert where it sent you, hey, close alert, AMT on your watch list should be closed. Now it's actually going to include more information. A short snippet of what you would see in the email is now going to appear here so that you don't have to go check your email for that to know what's happening. You'll see it more explained here in the alert section if you're already on the software. Also, the next huge update is the data upgrade that we did. So we used to only support 9,000 US stocks. We now support over 65,000 US stocks. So again, if you want to search the US stock market, you just type in the search bar. Again, if you enter in less than 4 letters, it's going to search by the ticker symbol like that. We have Apple, but if I add more than 4 letters, it's going to start searching by the company name. And so we can search now over 65,000 stocks on the US market. We used to only support 35,000 international stocks. We now support over 190,000 international stocks. I'm super excited to announce that. So these are the list of markets here that we support. So again, you can always do a Control F and find your markets on here. But a great example that I always like to do is, for instance, let's say I want to search the Toronto Stock Exchange. Well, the exchange symbol for that is TSX. I just come here, I type in TSX, I type in colon, and then I can type in whatever I want. So Shopify here is a great example. I search on Shopify, and look at that. We now have the Shopify from the Toronto Exchange. All right, guys, I hope you're loving this as much as I am. As always, thank you so much for being a user. Thank you so much for being here. I know the software, I love to say that it's awesome already, but there are so many improvements that we can make, and we are definitely trying to push those out as fast as we can to help you lower your risk, increase your returns, and in general, save time. So guys, again, if you ever have any feature requests or feedback, please pop open this chat box and you will directly get access to me. Also, I just wanted to announce what's coming. This next week on Friday, our upgrade will include improvements to speed. Hopefully, speed will be improving across the board. You'll see stuff start moving and loading a lot faster. Again, we are looking and doing so much math in the background to ensure that you have an accurate recommendation, but we want to speed that up a lot. We're also going to be working on the analyzer page hardcore to make sure that it is accurate and that it works for use, because I know that some people are looking for features where like they would want to see their watch list on the analyzer page and a bunch of other feature requests that I have. That is coming next Friday. All right, guys, thank you so much once again for being a user. I promise the stock screener is coming as well, but next Friday we should have speed and analyzer improvements for you as well. All right, guys, see you later.